Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to compare two mid-range compact SUVs Renault Kiger and Nissan Magnet. So without any delay, let's dive into the content. Coming to Nissan Magnet, quick specifications are mileage 17.7 to 19.42 kmpl, engine 999cc, and it is available in only two transmissions, manual and automatic CVT, and fuel type is petrol. And Renault Kiger quick specifications are mileage 20 km per liter and engine 999cc, and it is available in three transmissions, manual, AMT and automatic CVT, and fuel type is petrol. Now coming into dimensions, Nissan Magnet having more length by 3 mm and more width by 8 mm, and Renault Kiger having more height by 28 mm. And wheelbase and ground clearance are same in both cars. Nissan Magnet providing 336 liters boot space and Renault Kiger having segment best boot space by 405 liters. Now coming into safety ratings, in safety ratings Magnet score 4 stars in Asian NCAP and Renault Kiger is yet to be tested by the crash test authorities. For updates follow me on Instagram. Renault Kiger safety features are dual front airbags, front parking sensors, rear parking camera, anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution, and 4 airbags in high-end variants. And now coming to Nissan Magnet safety features are anti-lock brake system with electronic brake force distribution, dual front airbags, hill start assist in high-end variants, vehicle dynamic control in high-end variants, and traction control in high-end variants. And coming to performance, Renault Kiger is offering two engine options. The first engine is 1 liter 3-cylinder naturally aspirated petrol unit making 72 horsepower and 96 Nm and offering with 5-speed manual or AMT transmission. The second engine is a 1 liter 3-cylinder turbocharged unit churning out 100 horsepower and 160 Nm. Now this engine is offered with 5-speed manual or CVT transmission. The Nissan Magnet also offering same engine specifications. Now coming to extra features, Renault Kiger offering cooling glove box, air purifier, multiple drive mode and wireless charger. And Nissan Magnet offering LED fog lamps, 360 degrees reverse parking camera, tire pressure monitoring system and cruise control. And let's talk about transmissions, variants and prices. 1 liter manual transmission is starting from 5,45,000 and 1 liter automatic manual transmission is starting from 6,59,000 and 1 liter turbocharged manual transmission is starting from 7,14,000 and finally 1 lakh turbocharged clutch variable transmission starting from 8,60,000. In Nissan Magnet, 1 liter manual transmission is starting from 4,99,000 onwards and 1 liter turbo manual transmission is starting from 6,99,000 and 1 liter turbocharged clutch variable transmission is starting from 7,89,000. Hope you got some clarity to buy which car among these two. If you love my content, please like it and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get notifications of my uploads.